start today. Pure theory to practice, we build a bridge. Together we innovate, step to the edge. It's not just consuming, it's about the play. In the workshop, yo, we lead the way. Workshops where we shine, facilitating from behind. Not just the leader, but the team, making ideas, living the dream. With a little serious play, we shape our thoughts. Manual finger brainstorming, connections, soft brain, mind flow, six thinking hats. We wear design thinking, it guides us everywhere. Core theory to practice, we build a bridge. Together we innovate, step to the edge. It's not just consuming, it's about the play. In the workshop, yo, we lead the way. Workshops where we shine, facilitating from behind. Not just the leader, but the team, making ideas, living the dream. Post-its, fly, thoughts on the wall. Whiteboards, flip charts, we use them all. Story cues, sparking tales untold. Creativity, yeah, watch it unfold. Open minds ready to receive new ideas in which we believe. Facilitators, skilled and wise, listening, guiding, answering wise. Egos outside, leave them at the door. In this space we learn and explore. Together we grow, together we strive. In every workshop we come alive. Pure theory to practice, we build a bridge. We can never win and never make store. Together we grow, together we strive. In every workshop we come alive. Workshops where we shine, facilitating from behind. Not just the leader, but the team, making ideas, living the dream. Post-its, fly, thoughts on the wall. Whiteboards, flip charts, we use them all. Laughter fills the room, we take a break. Reflecting on the knowledge we create. Every pause a moment to renew. Valuable learning in all we do. Workshops where we shine, facilitating from behind. Not just the leader, but the team, making ideas, living the dream. A journey to discover and explore, where creativity and learning soar. Building bridges side by side, together on this inspiring ride. Open minds ready to receive new ideas in which we believe. Facilitators skilled and wise, listening, guiding, answering wise. Egos outside, leave them at the door. In this space we learn and explore. Together we grow, together we strive. In every workshop we come alive. From the minds ready to receive new ideas in which we believe. Facilitators skilled and wise, listening, guiding, answering wise. Egos outside, leave them at the door. In this space we learn and explore. Together we grow, together we strive. In every workshop we come alive. Open minds ready to receive new ideas in which we believe. Facilitators skilled and wise, listening, guiding, answering wise. Egos outside, leave them at the door. In this space we learn and explore.